Hi, I'm Josh and I work at Roseman Labs, and today I'm excited to show you how you can install our Python package, crandas, locally. Whether you're on a Mac, Linux or Windows device, this tutorial should help you get started. Though please note that for today I'll be working with a Mac device. Now before we dive in, you must have Python 3.9 or higher installed on your device. Now if you're installing on Windows, please ensure that you check the box that says add python.exe to path during the installation process. This ensures that Python is available from any directory on your device. We recommend that you install Python packages like crandas in a virtual environment, as this keeps your project dependencies isolated and avoids any conflicts with packages that are also present in your system. Now let's get started. Now you see on the left here we've got the docs, the documentation, which you can find in the description down below. So we can be using this today just to speed it up a little bit. And on the right, I have Visual Studio Code, which is my preferred coding app. We've already installed Python, as we mentioned. Now let's get started by creating the virtual environment we're going to work in. So you'll note here that we'll go to the terminal, but this terminal can also be accessed in isolation by using the terminal app on a Mac or command prompt in Windows, which is what we recommend in the documentation. Now the command for creating a virtual environment is the same for both Mac and Windows, which is Python 3-m venv and then the name of the virtual environment, which we're going to call .crandas_install. Now you'll notice a new folder is created, which is for the virtual environment, and we are going to activate this virtual environment. Now this is one where the command between Mac or Linux and Windows is slightly different. So on a Mac, you can see in the docs it is source, the name of the virtual environment, which is crandas install, /bin/activate. And you'll know it's been activated because you can see the name of the virtual environment here. Now, just for clarity, you can see that on Windows is slightly different, as you would use the name of the virtual environment, but it's in scripts and then activate.bat to activate it. Now, what I've done is we're going to select the kernel up here, and we'll click crandas install. Now in this virtual environment, we haven't yet installed crandas. So we can just run this simple command that is using a Python notebook to check that crandas is installed. See, no module named crandas. Now what we can do is we're going to actually install crandas. Now we recommend that you just install the latest version of crandas, though if you want a specific version, please follow this and just input the version where it says version instead, i.e. if you wanted 1.11, you'd enter 1.11.0 here. We're just going to use the standard command, which is pip install crandas --index and then the URL. So we're going to click enter here. Okay, now it's completed installation. We can restart this kernel, run the same command again, and this time crandas will not show an error. As you can see, crandas has been successfully installed. Now in the next video, which you'll also find linked in the description, I'll be showing you how you can connect to specific Roseman Labs environments using the connection file. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe if you're interested in more Roseman Labs platform tips. Thanks.